G'day everybody, Ariel here from Custom Platinum Creations. Thought I'd give you guys a bit of a rundown of what we got going on around the shop in Q1 2022. Okay, I'm going to be changing the way I do things here in 2022. You might have noticed in the past we used to do a lot of custom made and one-off parts. That's going to be pretty much coming to an end. So what I'm going to be doing is stocking up on our most popular products and have those on the shelves so you guys can get them as fast as possible. Alright, we're also going to be launching our first ever website. On there you'll be able to see all our products, see all the details and pricing, and also keep up to date with the tracking of those products so you know exactly where the order's up to. What we've also got for you guys is a lot more content just like this video to give you guys a bit of an insight towards creating our products and getting them out the door. Alright guys, that's a wrap. If there's anything specific you want to see, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.